Hello guys, this is your portion of the videos. Apparently this little bird was very thirsty, so he woke up to a glass of water right away. Impressive, but who has that many glasses? It's making me anxious about the car that is right downstairs.
Ma, ia uite, ce-i cu ăsta mic aici?
Opa! Care, mă?
Ăsta de acolo, ia uite.
Ce el?
I rather have my screen attached to my phone. There are 3 layers of glass and only the middle one is getting cracked for solidity and aesthetic, but actually looks like it broke and you are too poor to replace it.
I just want money that's calm. Teenage never worry about acne. I ain't never been with a baddie. She comes so added to the tally. Madison, but I'm calling her Maddie. Like Max tries to send me that addy. What's the right that I left for the alley? Like you don't look too shabby. Do a big thing, come from the valley. I just wanna play with that funny. Yes, I really wanna play with that pussy, baby. She give me the.
What? Have you watched this video to the end? Then you must like, subscribe and leave your PIN from your credit card in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye.